Besides for getting a great tan when tourists come to the island, they expect to eat good as well, since Aruba is known to have a wide range of restaurants to offer. A local Aruban chef is creating another dimension in food to offer locals and tourists another culinary edge. Irvin Cruz successfully incorporates typical Aruban flavors such as bang pati, funchi, and criollo sauce into fine dining dishes. He creatively adds these flavors into dishes you would never expect them in, and it works.
There's a lot of fine dining restaurants on the island, but what they serve is mostly French, American, Italian, and Japanese, international, let's say that. And what we wanted to do with the opening of the kitchen table, we want to show them that our local dishes can be fine dining also. So what we did is we broke down all the traditional dishes and put them back together in the way that we want to serve them at the kitchen table, a modern way, let's say that.
Irvin has garnered quite the reputation as a renowned chef on the island. The kitchen table is the second restaurant he has opened up after the white cuisine. Chef Cruz has chosen to hire young chefs to build his team in the kitchen.
And why do I hire young cooks? Is because young cooks are ambitious, and they are willing to learn, eager to learn, and also accept change easier than matured people already. And they also work harder.
Irvin says to succeed as a chef, traveling is part of the criteria. Chefs need to stay relevant. They have to keep tasting and seeing how the culinary world continues to evolve.
When you start as a cook, you see a chef and you always want to become that chef and be ambitious and do not stay on the island, go abroad and broaden your culinary knowledge and travel. Because most cooks, they travel around the world and they see new things, and as a cook it's very important to renew yourself every now and then.
The kitchen table at Blue Residences is now officially open to the public.